In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Boomerang to Chrome. If you've ever wished Gmail could send messages later, remind you to follow up, or even pause incoming mail while you focus, Boomerang brings those superpowers right into your inbox. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the extension installed and be ready to use its most popular features. Start by opening the Chrome Web Store in the Chrome browser on your computer. This is the official marketplace for Chrome extensions. You can get there by searching for Chrome Web Store in your address bar and opening the result from Google. Once you're on the store's homepage, look for the search box at the top. Type Boomerang for Gmail into the search box and press Enter. You'll see a list of results, but the one you want is titled Boomerang for Gmail and is published by Baden Inc. Checking the name and publisher helps you make sure you're installing the right tool. Click the Boomerang for Gmail result to open its extension page. Here you can read a brief description, browse screenshots, and review what the extension does inside Gmail. When you're ready, click the Add to Chrome button in the top right corner of the page. Chrome will display a confirmation pop-up explaining what the extension can do so it can work properly with Gmail. In the confirmation pop-up, click Add Extension. Chrome will take a moment to download and install Boomerang. When it's done, you'll typically be redirected straight to Gmail. If you're not already signed in, just sign in the way you normally do so Boomerang can connect to your inbox. Once Gmail loads, you'll notice new options integrated directly into the Compose window and toolbar. Boomerang adds helpful features like scheduling emails to send later, automated follow-up reminders so nothing slips through the cracks, a pause inbox control to hold new messages while you focus, optional read receipts to know when messages are opened, and built-in meeting scheduling tools that make setting a time with others fast and painless. These features are designed to feel native to Gmail, so you don't have to learn a whole new app. That's all it takes. Open the Chrome Web Store, search for Boomerang for Gmail, select the listing by Baden Inc., click Add to Chrome, confirm by choosing Add Extension, and let Chrome finish the installation and take you to Gmail. With Boomerang installed, you're ready to work smarter in your inbox from day one. Thanks for watching and enjoy your more organized, more productive Gmail experience.